Take a look at this.
I can't see.
The snow is up to the window.
Oh my gosh.
This is no joke.
You gonna jump out there so we can get out of the house?
That's the plan.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
Want me to give you 10 fingers? Just fall backwards in the snow. Oh! Can you get up?
Eventually.
Come here. Be quiet. Where's the shovel?